Get the absolute best user experience out of using Unity for Microsoft Teams along with Webex for the telephony side. There are a few steps that need to be done by both an admin of Webex and an end user on their local PC using the Webex application. First of all, as an admin, we're going to log into admin.webex.com on our web browser. So that's admin.webex.com. You'll get this login page. You put your user admin details in for Webex. If you're not sure what that is, please contact your support team. They should be able to tell you which user has the admin credentials, which can sign in here. And those credentials there are the same as the Webex credentials for that user. We can ignore all of this that's on the screen. We want to go to calling over here on the left-hand side menu under services. And we're then going to scroll all the way down and we'll find Microsoft Teams integration. And you can just tick all of these settings. It's absolutely fine. But essentially, the big one that we're really interested in here is hide WebEx windows, and we'll see what that does shortly. We're done here. You don't need to click save or anything along those lines. It's all just enabled, and we're actually done in the admin portal. So let's practice sign out. Now, the biggest change there about the hiding the WebEx windows is if I go now to open the WebEx application, it'll be the first time I'm running it on this PC. I'm going to sign in. I'm using the same user in this case. Put the username in, put the password in, and what we will see after it's signed in, I've just accepted the emergency calling notification on first login as that user. But you will see that WebEx is not actually on the screen. There's an icon for it here where it's saved or pinned, sorry, to my taskbar. But WebEx is actually running in minimize mode here. So if I look at my icons here, I can see WebEx is there. If I want to bring up the WebEx application, I can do. I just click on that and it brings up the application. This is the soft phone only version of WebEx, so it's very minimal. But actually, we can just close that off because we don't need it for what we're going to be doing. The one thing we do need to do though, first time, go into the application. We're going to go to settings, click on the settings cog here on the left-hand menu. We're going to go to calling. We're going to scroll down here. And we're going to choose when the call window should automatically appear in front. So when using this computer for calls, we're going to say auto minimize calls. And then when you make calls, you will see what actually happens is if I now close this off, when we make a call in Unity, you'll never see the call window pop up for WebEx, which is great because you just drive everything through the Unity application in Microsoft Teams. So that's all running completely in the background.